If you believe your Netflix account has been unfairly banned, you could appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the ban reason. Understand why your account was banned. Check your email for any communication from Netflix that explains the reason for the ban, as this will help you address the issue in your appeal. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant information before submitting your appeal. This includes your account details, any correspondence from Netflix, and any evidence that supports your case. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Netflix customer support through their official website or app. Use the help section to find the contact options such as live chat or phone support to discuss your ban. Step 4. Submit a formal appeal. If customer support cannot resolve the issue, ask for the formal appeal process. Follow their instructions carefully, providing all necessary information and clearly stating your case. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for Netflix to respond. This process may take some time, so check your email regularly for updates regarding your appeal status. In conclusion, appealing a ban on Netflix requires understanding the reason for the ban, gathering your information, and following the proper channels to submit your appeal. Good luck!